Today we are picking, we're tasting, and then we're also picking some calories and stuff. So, wedding planning stuff. Okay, so this is just an option of how they can display the Caribbean section. This is fantastic, fantastic. But we'll show you the other option that you decide with the decorator.
Hi guys. So Chioma Adeleke, that's Mrs. Chioma Adeleke, Davido's wife, they are now preparing for their white wedding, which is going to be happening this August 2025. It's gonna be loud. You know, the last one they did by June. Yeah, it was in June. And it was even on a Tuesday. But that Tuesday was looking more like a weekend or a public holidays. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I know that it was more like it was looking like it's a weekend Owambe party. People were just online trying to stream. That's people that were not able to attend. We're just streaming to see what was happening. A lot of people attended that church. A lot of people that as in Nigeria were in that wedding. So, and now they are preparing for their wedding. And you can see in the beginning of the video that it was Davido's sister Sharon that was moving around with her in this particular one, you know, for the venue, for how it's going to look like, stuff like that. In fact, what I'm seeing in here is that Davido's family really loves Chioma. Like, them love that girl. And it's a good thing. The girl is already blessed. When I mean she's really blessed, I like the fact that I don't think Chioma is even online in some social media platform. I think it's basically family and friends that usually post her. I don't think she usually, correct me if I'm wrong, I stand to be corrected, but that's what I noticed. I don't think she's usually online. It's basically friends that are the ones usually posting her clips or videos of herself and all of that. But guys, the last celebration that Davido did, it was a total shutdown in Nigeria. It was more like we are doing a kind of huge carnival. So this wedding is gonna be loud. Like, it's going to be very, very loud, because I mean a lot of people will attend. A lot of people, even if it's outside this country. You see the way they did Priscilla's daughter's own, that's the way people in Nigeria will still go there to go and support. Like, it's going to be massive, because people virtually love Davido, and people also love Chioma because of the way Chioma is. Chioma is one girl I really, really admire. Like, I admire her strength. I admire the way she takes things, like the way she handles things, the way she handles situations. You will never hear Chioma's drama. You will never hear her respond. All the dragons, they've dragged that girl to come out on social media to say something. She has never for one day opened her mouth to say anything. How comforted, how matured that girl is. Like, her mother did a good job. Not just her mother, she too did a very nice job in also raising herself. Do you understand? And she was lucky. When they gave her to Chioma, nobody knows she's going to end up in this family. But you see how life works, it really favored her, and she was handling the whole situation. Just like I said earlier, I don't think she's in any media platform for a very long time now. So now they are planning this wedding, and it's going to be loud, and you can see her figure. Anytime this occasion is about around the corner, she really works her body out to ensure, that she's looking perfect, just like the last time. God, I can never forget how people were just streaming. Me too, I joined stream streaming. As we no come attend, make we just be streaming online. We will be the online visitors. So those who attended were just feeding us with a lot of experiences in that trad. So just imagine how it's going to be on the wedding. It's the video that we're talking about. Don't be surprised that Chris Brown may come and sing song that very day. A lot of musicians will come there to sing. Don't be surprised. Do you understand? So guys, it was just really amazing hearing these days, because I wouldn't wait. Let me use that word. I can't wait to see and see how it goes in August 2025. We had a huge wedding that was literally taking almost a month, which is JP 2025, and now we're about to see Chivido again 2025. So it's going to be massive and loud. So just stay back as I always show you guys how it goes down. But for the meantime, please, if you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe and notification button and let us be friends.